name's Miss Donna. I work at the La Center Community Library. I'd like to do a little finger play for you called Two Little Blackbirds. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. You could even do more. Say you wanted to take a walk and you saw a robin, and you could do something like this. Two little robins sitting in a tree. Oh, one named Frank and one named Bree. Fly away, Frank. Fly away, Bree. Come back, Frank. Come back, Bree. What a great way to learn rhymes and learn about nature. I also would like to refer you to our website, which is www.fvrl.org, where we have some great resources. One of the resources that we have there is a movie streaming site called Kanopy. And on Kanopy, there's some great little nature shows for kids. One is Nature Cat. We also have Wild Kratts and Kratts Creatures. All great shows for kids that will teach about nature. We miss you guys. We can't wait to see you. Stay safe. Bye.